Alright, so quick rundown on what's going on. Going to make a drop saw table, and it's all going to be out of Kevlar slabs. These 3 slabs I picked up probably 4 years ago from the wood show in somewhere in Queensland. Sat around, got big cracks, but they were cheap ones to begin with. But yeah, it'll work. And then these 2 other bits were offcuts from the chair that I made that's down there. Yeah, so let's get into it. Been cleaning these ones up. They're getting there. Obviously, still a way to go, but they're getting close to the thickness I want. This one obviously still got some big cuts in it, but I'm never going to be able to get rid of them, but you'll never see them. So it's not ideal, but it's what I got. And I want it to all be the same timber, so that's what we're doing. So basically just going to leave these sort of roughly cleaned up, because I want to clean everything roughly up, get all the bits cut, so I can really see what I'm working with. Got a bit more of the rough layout done now. Got most of them cleaned up roughly. Still need more work, but it's actually starting to look like something. Gonna take off some more here so I can get my 45s. Frame. Picked it up a long time ago. I don't even know when or where. I need the whole thing to be far enough out so that the miter saw can go in and out. Plus I'm going to put some shelving along the back. And so yeah, this will work out pretty well. It's a little bit low, but that's okay, because I can put some feet on it. That'll lift it up a bit. Got these big bad boys go all the way through. Yeah, should work pretty well. Got to countersink them in so they're nice and flush. one of the drop saws done. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Definitely a few things that I could do better, but it works, so I'm happy with that. So basically part 2 is going to be building in all this. It's going to be putting some sort of thing over here to catch all the sawdust, and maybe some shelving down here, and a tool wall up the top to show off all my old tools. Should look really sick when it's done. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. So if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Peace.